Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.2 6th question. If A is equal to 3 by 3 matrices it is given. First row is minus 1, 2, minus 2. Second row is 4, minus 3, 4. Third row 4, minus 4, 5. Then show that the inverse of A is A itself. So they have asked you to prove the inverse, find the inverse, then you will have to prove it. Your answer is again your question itself. Okay. So that is only A inverse is answer itself, you will have to prove it. That is your question. You will have to get it in your answer as A inverse. Then you can prove it as A inverse is equal to A itself. So your steps are just written here. First is you will have to find your A inverse. A inverse, what is your formula is? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This you will have to find it. So to find this, what is needed, by seeing your formula itself you can write it. Determinant of A is your first step. Adjoint of A means you need your cofactor first. So cofactor Aij is needed. Then finding your Aij, get back your transpose, so you will get your adjoint of A. Once you get your adjoint of A, now substitute your adjoint of A and your determinant of A in A inverse and get your A inverse. So I have just written here, substitute in A inverse. So once you get your A inverse, check whether your last answer is equal to your A itself. That is your question itself. So we'll just start with the first step. So determinant of A is your first step. So determinant of A is equal to. So you have to check your first term. It is minus 1 is there. Then the minor of minus 1 you have to write it. So that you got one format for that. Plus, minus and plus. So you have just written minus 1. So the minor of minus 1, that is this column, that is the number where it is there, that column and the row has to be crossed out. The left out number, that is this numbers will be there as your minus. So it is minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5. Then minus is here. So put that minus here. Write the second term, that is your 2. Then open your bracket. Minor of 2 you will have to write it. So the regarding row and the column has to be eliminated. So this row will go and this column will go. So the left out term is 4, 4, 4, 5. So 4, 4, 4, 5. Then plus is there. So write that plus. Minus 2. Plus is there from it. Then minus 2 it is there here. Then minus 2. For minus 2 you have to write your minus. So open your bracket. So minor is the regarding column and the row has to be eliminated. So this column will go and this row will go. So the left out numbers are 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4. So now we have to go to solving. So it is minus 1. This diagonal minus this diagonal. Okay. So 5 3s are 15 with minus. Minus is from your format. Then open your bracket. 4 4s are 16, but this minus is there. So minus 16. Now you can close your bracket. Then this minus 2 is there. Again, this diagonal you have to multiply. 4 5s are 20. Minus is from your format. Again 4 4s are 16. Then plus into minus is straight away I will write minus 2. Then open your bracket. 4 4s are minus is there. So it is minus 16. Formula minus, otherwise format minus. Then open your bracket. 4 3s are 12 with minus. So minus 12. Close your bracket, then close your big bracket. Okay. So now the next step is minus 1. Minus 15, this minus into minus will become plus 16. Then minus 2, this you can straight away subtract it, you will get your 4. 20 minus 16 is 4. This minus 2 is there. Minus 16, again minus into minus will become plus 12. The next line will be minus 1. Minus 15 plus 16 is plus 1. Okay, bigger number symbol is plus, so plus 1. Minus 2 4s are 8, straight away you can write it, and minus 2, this is minus 16 and 12 is minus 4. So which is equal to 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 8, this is minus into minus is plus, 2 4s are 8. So minus 8 and plus 8 you can cross out. So the answer will be minus. So the next step is you'll have to find cofactor Aij. So I'll just write Aij, we'll have to find it, okay. So to find your Aij, put a big bracket and write this A in your rough column first. So minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4, 5. And write your format also, okay, for cofactor. It is plus, I'll just write here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this format you'll have to use it for your cofactor. So first is for minus 1, you'll have to find the cofactor. So the regarding column and the row has to be eliminated. So I'll just keep the scale over there to eliminate your rows and columns so that you can see it properly. So minus 1, the minor of minus 1 is, so cross out your row and column, so we'll get these terms. So just write it over there. So it is minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5. The next one is minus, open your bracket. Then the second column and the first row has to be eliminated. Now what are the left out terms? 4, 4, 4, 5. So it is 4, 4, 4, 5. Minus 3, 4, minus 4. So plus only. So open your bracket. 4, minus 3, 4, minus 4. Now your second row, minus has to be started because from the format it is minus. Then the second row and the first column has to be crossed out. So second row, first column. So the left out elements are 2 minus 2, minus 4, 5. 2 minus 2, minus 4, 5. Then plus, open your bracket. Second row, second column. So the left out numbers are minus 1, minus 2, 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, 4, 5. So second row, third column. So the left out numbers are minus, from the format you'll have to take it, open your bracket. Minus 1, 2, 4, minus 4. So minus 1, 2, 4, minus 4. Now third row, first column, that is the minor of 4 has to be found out. So the left out elements are 2 minus 2 minus 3 4 plus only. So you can open your bracket. 2 minus 2 minus 3 4. Next minus, open your bracket. The minor of minus 4 you will have to find it. So second column and third row has to be eliminated. So the left out is minus 1 minus 2 4 4. So minus 1 minus 2 4 4. The third one is plus only, open your bracket. Last column, that is the third column and third row has to be eliminated to find your minor 5. That is minus 1 2 4 minus 3. Now you can close your bracket. Equal to, open your bracket, diagonal multiplication. So minus 15 minus of minus 4 plus 4 is minus 16. Then this minus, open your bracket, 4 5s are 20 minus 4 4s are 16. Then open your bracket, 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 minus, again open your bracket, 4 3s are 12 but minus 12. So your second row minus, open your bracket, 2 5s are 10 minus 4 2s are 8, minus into minus is plus, so plus 8, but we have got format minus, because of that it is minus 8. So plus, open your bracket, minus 5 minus 4 2s are minus 8, minus 2 is there, so it is minus 8. Again minus, open your bracket, minus 1 minus 4 is 4 plus 4, minus 4 2s are 8. third row 2 4s are 8 minus of minus is plus, so 6, so 6, then minus this is minus 1, 4 is minus 4, minus 4 2s are 8, minus is there, so minus 8, then plus, open your bracket, minus 1 minus 3 is plus 3, minus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to minus 15 plus 16, minus into minus is plus 16, so minus 20 minus 4, 16 is 4, so this is minus 16 plus 12, minus into minus is plus 12, so minus 10 minus 8 is 2, then plus minus 5, minus into minus is plus 8, then minus 4 minus 8 is minus 4, minus 8 is there, so minus 4, 8 minus 6 is 2, minus, open your bracket, minus 4, minus of minus is plus 8, then this is minus 5, so this your solving is done. Last step of solving is minus 15 plus 16 is 1, minus 4, again this is minus 4, this is minus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 4, 2, this is plus 4 but minus is outside, so minus 4, minus 5. So the adjoint of A is equal to Aij whole transpose. So that is equal to Aij, we have got it here, so that thing 1 minus 4 minus 4, then minus 2, 3, 4, 2, minus 4, minus 5. So for this you will have to find your transpose. Transpose is nothing but changing your rows to column or columns to row. So we'll just change this row to column. 1 minus 4 minus 4. Second row minus 2, 3, 4. Third row 2 minus 4 minus 5. So with this your adjoint of A is over. Now the next step is they have asked you to find inverse. Okay, so inverse of A only you have to find it. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we have got already your determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1 into adjoint of A is your answer. So it is 1 minus 2, 2, minus 4, 3 and minus 4, minus 4, 4, minus 5. So just take this minus inside. To take your minus, just change the symbol, otherwise sign, okay. Plus means minus, minus means plus, you have to change it. So plus 1 is minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, plus 4, 4, minus 4, plus 5. Just check whether your question is replaced, children. So this one and your question, that is your your A should be same. Just check it over there. First row is minus 1, 2, minus 2. So here minus 1, 2, minus 2. 4 minus 3, 4. So 4 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 5. So 4 minus 4, 5. So they have asked you to prove it. It is A itself. So you can write this is equal to A. So your last step is inverse. That is A inverse is equal to your A itself. So this is what you have to prove it. So with this your sixth question is done.